Hey everybody, this is Grant with the Flying Erferts. This is a new channel for us. My family and I purchased a Cherokee 160 a couple years ago now while I was getting my private pilot certificate. And it's a 1961. It's definitely a vintage plane. It's not new. It has its quirks for being a 63-year-old plane at this point. But we really enjoy it. We love flying it around St. Louis. That's where we're based. We like going on trips, going on seeing other places. My wife really especially likes to go on nice short trips. My wife, Tatiana.
Hi everybody.
Is the one that's helping with this page, and my son Miles. You'll see him in the videos always. He really enjoys flying around with us as well. We've been to several different places since I got my pilot certificate. We've been down to Florida, we've been to Kentucky, we've been down to near Atlanta, Georgia, seeing friends and family. I've taken friends, taken my business partner flying, and we just really want to just showcase the things that we like to do with that. And my wife will have a lot of things to say about flying with kid, what it takes. Right now my plane is getting its annual inspection done, and we're hoping to fly up to Oshkosh later this week. That'll be our first time going to the largest air show in the world, and we hope to really get there and see all the different things that it has to offer us. We'll hope to actually show what it's like for a family of, a small family to go out and fly around in a small plane and go places. And we really love it. We like to go traveling. We like to go on adventures, have food, go to new places, and see the things you can only see from the air. We're not CFIs. We're not going to give any instruction. You're going to see things we do wrong, and we're hoping that you can learn from some of our mistakes. And if you're interested, in becoming a pilot, this might be a good thing to learn. If you've got any questions, I'm happy to answer them. There's a lot of things we've done right and a lot of things we've done wrong, and we just hope to kind of share what those things are, so that if you're interested in becoming a pilot, you don't do the same mistakes we may have done. And we're gonna see where it goes. This is, like I said, it's a new channel for us. It's a new thing for us. We're getting all the cameras and everything set up, and we hope to showcase it to you guys in a way that you really enjoy it and you want to watch more. And hopefully you'll like, subscribe, and share, and do all those things that people do on YouTube with videos. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Let us know if there's something you want to see. And if you got any questions, shoot it over to us. We'd be happy to answer them. All right, thanks so much.